Welcome to Plunge Chill Official. Let's get your cold plunge set up. Today, we'll show you how to assemble the Plunge Chill Pro Tub. Step 1. Inflate the tub. First, inflate the tub. Unscrew the air valve cap by turning it counterclockwise. Press the valve button to make sure it's in the inflation position. Then attach the air pump hose by twisting it clockwise. Inflate the tub until it feels firm and fully expanded. Repeat the same process for the insulated lid. Step 2. Install the valves and hoses. Wrap waterproof thread seal tape around both inlet and outlet ports on the tub. Then screw the water valves into place and tighten them securely. Next, insert the hose connectors into the hoses. Wrap thread seal tape around the threaded connectors, then screw them onto the water valves by turning them clockwise until snug. Step 3. Connect to the chiller and external filter. Now it's time to connect the hoses, external filter, and chiller. Connect the tub outlet hose to the filter inlet, then connect the filter outlet to the chiller inlet. Finally, connect the chiller outlet to the tub inlet. Make sure all hose connections are tight and secure before moving on. Step 4. Fill the tub. Fill the tub with water until the water level is slightly below the inlet port. Once the tub is filled, fully open both water valves to allow water to circulate through the system. Step 5. Power on the chiller. Connect the filter to the chiller, then plug the chiller into a power outlet. Press the red power switch on the back of the chiller to turn it on. Next, open the air release valve on top of the filter to bleed any trapped air from the system. Once water begins flowing steadily from the valve, close it securely. Use the up and down buttons on the control panel to set your desired water temperature. You should now see water circulating through the tub and chiller system. Simply allow the chiller to cool the water until it reaches your selected temperature. Your Plunge Chill is now ready to use. Enjoy your cold plunge experience.